All right, quick video for part two. Sorry for the delay. Very busy. Anyway, this will be the basically the chorus. So you come out of the verse. Um, um, I'll just play it slowly first. So this is taken from the live versions. I'm not sure how he does it. Live solo acoustic. When they're playing full band, I don't really know how they play it. But this is taken from basically going off of his solo acoustic version of how he plays it. So it's kind of a G. So we're in drop D again. So the basic of the chord is a G, but it's got so it's a G in the bass. So ring finger, 5th fret, the low, which is the D string, the A string, 5th fret, and then you're basically doubling that D. So you have the open D, and then on the G string, you're on the 4th fret, and then the B string, you're on the 3rd fret. And you don't really play that E because it's not in the chord. So, and he kind of slides up. Sorry. Then go to the D. So. And that's just an A to A sus and back. So it's kind of pretty common. So your A, and then you just add the 4th fret on the D string and the 3rd fret on the B string. And then the second time, it's the same basic G kind of chord, but whereas the first one had the open D, this one you're sliding up on the D on the D string to the 4th fret, and then the open G, and then to the A on the 5th fret. And then just kind of, you just use your ear, whatever sounds good. But again, it's that kind of that same G, and leave the E string out because it kind of doesn't make sense there. So again, so the first time, D, A sus. And then it goes back into the verse. So after the D, so let's see if I can put it together. This got to start in the middle here. There's some that you won't show. No, that's not how it goes. Broken. There's something that you won't show. Women like blues. Sorry. You have to listen to me play it. I haven't played it in a while. Anyway, that's the basics of it. And just watch. You can watch my cover and see to get the details. But that's basically the verse. And then next version, I'll go into the bridge part, which is a couple new chords. Anyway, hope this helps. Hopefully, it won't be as long before I get the last part. Thanks for watching. If you like it, like and subscribe, all that nonsense. Thanks. Bye.